Good morning, everyone. Let's get ready for breakfast. Hi, I'm Debbie Sadify, and welcome to day 17 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today, I'm sharing some quick and easy plant-based breakfast ideas that will get you set up for a great day. First, is overnight oats. You just need to mix oats, chia seeds, hemp hearts, flax seeds, some dried fruit, and plant-based milk in a jar or a glass bowl with a lid. Refrigerate overnight, and you've got a grab and go breakfast. Or if you don't want to do overnight oats, you can have cooked oatmeal. Simply cook up your oats with water and top it off with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. For something different, you can try a quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook up your quinoa, top it with plant-based milk, fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup if you want that extra sweetness. Chia pudding is another great idea. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and vanilla and let it sit overnight. Then top it with some fresh fruit. And you can make it tropical with some beautiful mango fruit. Don't forget about smoothies. Blend spinach, kale, frozen berries, and plant-based milk for a nutrient-packed drink. And you can turn your smoothie into a smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are also fantastic. Blend up some frozen bananas, spinach, almond milk, and then top it with some homemade granola, nuts, and seeds. Finally, tofu scramble is great on the weekends. Saute up some crumbled tofu with some spices, including turmeric, nutritional yeast, and some beautiful vegetables and mushrooms. Remember, prepping the night before can save you so much time in the morning. Throw away those boxed cereals and opt for some wholesome plant-based options instead. Check out the full video on my YouTube channel for more information and more tips. See you tomorrow for day 18.